So when was the last time your wallet got an upgrade? Think about it. You're carrying around a $1,000 smartphone, a couple $100 pair of earbuds, smartwatch on your wrist, and maybe a $40 wallet that's barely holding it together. I was definitely carrying around an older leather wallet and thought it was time for a change. Enter the Ekster Cardholder Pro. First thing you notice, this thing is almost entirely metal. Recycled aluminum on the body, carbon fiber for the card ejection trigger, weighs less than a quarter pound before you put anything in it, and it's only 0.6 inches thick. For reference, that's thinner than most phones with a case on it. There's also a rubber strap. That's where your extra cards, your ID, and your cash live. I personally catch my insurance card, library card, and a few bills back there. It holds everything flat without adding too much bulk, and then the wallet itself can technically hold up to 14 cards in total, 7 inside the card holder and then 7 under the back plate. I didn't need all that, but the capacity is there. The one thing there is to be aware of is the metal finish. If this wallet is sharing a pocket with your keys, it will pick up surface wear over time. Not deep scratches, more like a gradual patina. For some people that's character. For others it might bother them. Separate pocket solves it completely. Okay, so metal wallets come a dime a dozen. This is the thing that sold me on the wallet in the first place. That trigger. You press it, your cards fan out in a staggered layout, offset like a little staircase. So you can actually see and grab the one you want without having to dig for it. The mechanism feels solid, it's spring loaded, and after a few months of using it, it still performed exactly how it did on day one. That said, if you're loading all 7 card slots, it does get a little tight when reaching in to swap out a card. It's workable but noticeable. I personally just kept 4 cards in the ejector section, and like 4 or 5 is more like the sweet spot. A few more things worth mentioning. The interior has an RFID blocking layer built inside, so your contactless card data isn't being skimmed while the wallet sits in your pocket. There is a lifetime warranty, but only on the metal ejection trigger, pretty much the most important mechanical part of this wallet. And then you also have a 100-day return window, which means you have roughly 3 months to decide whether slim wallet life is actually for you or not. If you want to add some sort of GPS tracking, Ekster sells a slim finder card separately for about 50 bucks. It works on the Find My network for iPhone, and then there's also an Android equivalent that does the same. It has a rechargeable battery that's good up to 6 months and is IPX5 water resistant. And if you carry coins or need a lot more cash storage, this wallet in its base form is not built for that. However, the company does sell a coin tray and a cash clip backplate as add-ons for about 30 bucks each. It's adding up, but it's worth knowing before you buy. So after a few months with it, everything is still holding up. My biggest difference day to day is this thing being so flat. Sometimes I forget it's there, I think of some sort of like smaller phone in my pocket, which is a big switch for me, and it's a welcome change. So who is the Cardholder Pro for? It's for people who care about what they carry every day the same way they care about their phone. Who is this not for? If you need coins regularly, carry a lot of cash, or generally just don't want to spend that much for a wallet, it's understandable even at a discount. Just stick with what works. There's no shame in that. Now for the thing everybody wants to know. The Ekster Card Pro retails for $120. Yes, for a wallet. It's a lot of money. But right now, at the time of this video's published, you can pick it up for only $67, and that's using our affiliated link and promo code, and that makes it so much easier for you to pick it up and enjoy it. If you've been meaning to make the switch for years and just haven't pulled the trigger, yes, pun intended, this is a good one to land on. So let me know, have you tried the Ekster wallet? Have you finally moved from the leather wallet to the more slim fit wallet? How you liking it? Do you have an Ekster? Do you have a Ridge? Some other type of wallet? Let's discuss it in the comments. As always, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.